Online dating is not social media. It's not Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram, or any of the other social media apps. Online dating, those are platforms where people are going to for romantic connections. Social media are platforms where people are going there to share pictures, videos, funny memes with their friends, family, and followers. They're not necessarily going there because they're seeking romantic connections. Now, sure, it's possible to message somebody and pursue a romantic connection over Facebook, but it's not very fruitful. All right, because if you want to go to a place where people will be receptive and interested and expecting maybe romantic advances and connections from strangers or messages, that's when you need to go to the online dating platform. But a lot of people especially think that Facebook is online dating. Facebook has an online dating element, but it's not by itself the social media part. That's not online dating. And that's the confusion a lot of people have. And if we could remove that, we would remove a lot of the complaints about online dating from people who say online dating sucks or it's so hard. No, it's not. You're just using Facebook and you're predictably experiencing a lot of frustration and failure. So remember, online dating, the best thing about recognizing the difference between social media is appreciating that people are going there with a specific mindset of, I hope to get a message from some possible romantic connection, or I'm more receptive to it. You're playing to a warm audience. So understand that. Remember, social media is not online dating. It's hard to win at the online dating game when you haven't been taught the foundational lessons that impact your experiences and success. So let's change that. Click here to watch all 8 videos from our Online Dating 101 playlist, and click below to visit onlinedatingdynamics.com to take advantage of free dating and online dating resources and to learn more about our online dating game strategy guide.